Ever feel like your toaster's clock is getting more views than your YouTube channel? You copied your favorite creators. You watched every YouTube guru who whispers algorithm hacks from their mom's basement. You even lit a candle and whispered, "Dear algorithm, bless my channel," under the full moon. Still nothing. Go ahead and slap that subscribe button like it just spilled coffee on your keyboard. We got daily videos showing you how to grow a YouTube channel without showing your face or quitting your day job. Spoiler, the next one, it is all about how people are using copy-paste scripts and AI to build channels that run almost on autopilot. All right, enough small talk. Let's get into it. Here's the real talk no one puts on a thumbnail. Most creators aren't failing because they're lazy. They're failing because they're doing all the wrong things with the right energy. You're setting up your banner like it's the Mona Lisa, color coding your Notion board, organizing your thumbnails folder like it's the FBI. It feels productive, but it's kind of like bringing a fork to a soup eating contest. Wrong tool, wrong goal. So what actually works? Going viral isn't love, it's a system, a recipe. And today I'm giving you the ingredients, the instructions, and even some seasoning on top. But first, let me ask you this. What's the one thing you're probably doing right now that's actually slowing down your growth? Stick around. I'll show you how to stop it before your next upload. Part 1. Think like a viewer, not a vlogger. Okay, let's start here. Most new YouTubers think of their channel like a diary. What do I feel like making today? What inspired me this morning? Listen, that's cool if you're trying to start a video journal, but YouTube's not about you. It's about them, the viewer. The person scrolling through videos during their lunch break, dodging meetings, or lying in bed trying to avoid real life. Here's how to flip it. Instead of asking, "What do I want to say?" ask, "What would make someone click this if they had no idea who I am?" One small channel I helped made a video called "Why I Love Journaling." It got maybe 200 views in a month. We flipped the title to "I journaled every day for 30 days. Here's what happened to my brain." Boom, 100K views in 3 weeks. Why? Because now the video speaks to curiosity, not just your feelings. Look at your last 5 video titles. If they sound like diary entries, it's time for a makeover. Next up, what's the first thing people see when your video starts? That's your hook, and it's gotta hit harder than caffeine on a Monday. Part 2, hook like your rent depends on it. You have 5 seconds, that's it. If you start with, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel," congratulations. Your audience just disappeared faster than your motivation on a Friday. Instead, you need a hook, something that grabs attention like a toddler with sticky fingers. Here's what works. I posted one video and woke up to 3 million views. Here's what I did differently. This tiny change tripled my channel growth, and almost no one talks about it. You're probably making this one mistake, and it's silently killing your channel. Notice the pattern? They open a loop, break a belief, tease a twist. Write your hook before you write the script. It should be so juicy your best friend would say, "Okay, wait, tell me." This is how you stop the scroll and buy yourself more time to shine. But even with a killer hook, your thumbnail and title are weak. It's like showing up to a party in your pajamas. Let's fix that. Part 3, your title and thumbnail are your hype crew. Think of your video like it's trying to get into a VIP club. Your title and thumbnail are the ones sweet talking the bouncer. Bad, "How I plan my week feels like homework." Better, "I tried Elon Musk's 4 a.m. routine. It broke me." Now that's chaos we're clicking on. You want titles that create tension, curiosity, or even just a tiny hit of FOMO. And your thumbnail? That's your silent pitch. It should feel like a scene from the story, emotional, expressive, or something surprising. One Faceless channel I helped had a boring gray thumbnail with plain text. We swapped it with a red analytics screenshot and an emoji. CTR jumped by 4x. No extra content, just better packaging. Think of it like this: title plus thumbnail, get the click and hook story, keep the click. Speaking of story, part 4, tell stories, not just tips. Let me give it to you straight. Be consistent is the broccoli of YouTube advice. Healthy, but nobody's excited to eat it. Now turn that into a story. I uploaded every single day for 30 days. I was getting 50 views until day 27 when one random video popped off and now pays my rent. That's dinner and a show. Here's a simple story formula you can use. The problem, I wasn't growing. The effort, I uploaded daily. The turning point, one video finally took off. The twist, and I almost gave up right before it happened. People remember feelings, not bullet points. So give them a transformation they can feel, even if it is a small win like my audio stopped sounding like a potato. The next tip might be a little spicy. Part 5, don't post just because it's Tuesday. Here's an unpopular truth. Posting every Tuesday at 2 p.m. won't save you if your content is mid. Some creators act like the upload schedule is sacred. But would you serve raw chicken just because dinner's at 6 p.m.? Nah, you'd fix it, or risk food poisoning and losing friends. The same with your content. A creator I know delayed a video by 3 days just to rework the intro and thumbnail. That small change doubled the views. That one video became a series. That series built the channel. So next time your calendar says upload today, ask yourself, would I share this if I wasn't me? If the answer is meh, don't post yet. Mr. Beast delays his uploads all the time. And the man has private jets and warehouses of chocolate. You can wait 24 hours to improve a title. Part 6, flop? Cool, that means you're trying. Let me normalize something real quick. Flops are part of the game, a big part. Mr. Beast's first 100 videos, duds. Marques Brownlee started filming tech videos with a webcam about cleaning his screen. Emma Chamberlain's first thumbnails looked like PowerPoint slides from 2003. But the difference? They didn't quit, they studied the flop. If a video flops, low retention, boring intro. Low clicks, weak title or thumbnail. High bounce, your hook promised gold, but you gave gravel. Each video is data. Think of it like YouTube is giving you free feedback, if you know where to look. So when something tanks, don't cry. Go full detective. Now, what happens when something does work? Here's what most creators mess up. Part 7, milk the winners like a YouTube cow. You post how I hit 10K subs in 30 days. It blows up. Congrats. And then next week, you drop my morning routine. No. That's like your band dropping a hit single and then releasing a 12-minute flute solo. Wrong vibe. Instead, what I do differently if I started today. Why most creators never hit 10K and how I did. The ugly truth about growing on YouTube. Fast. Use the momentum. Ride the wave. Make 2-3 spin-offs. Think of it as a YouTube universe. People love the familiar. TV shows do this every season. So can you. Speaking of bingeable, Part 8, be Netflix, not a vlog. One-offs are cute. Binge-worthy? That's a strategy. Ask yourself, what should they watch next after this video? Think in terms of episodes, playlists, themes. Here's a simple one. Starting a channel from zero. The gear you actually need. The first video you should make. Why your first 10 videos flop. This is how you go from a one-hit wonder to a full-on content library. And YouTube loves it when people binge your videos. Why? Because it tells the algorithm, hey, this channel keeps people on the app. Boom, more reach, more love, more growth. Still worried that you don't have the fancy gear, the perfect voice, or editing skills? Don't! Most creators start awkward, broke, and talking to 12 subscribers, 8 of which are their family. The only real difference? They kept going, they kept uploading, and they kept learning. So start messy. Post anyway. Your viral video is probably just one thumbnail tweak and a better hook away. Hit subscribe if you want more no-fluff tips on how to grow a faceless YouTube channel and make money without quitting your job. I drop daily videos packed with easy tools, AI hacks, and passive income ideas you can actually try, like after work in your pajamas. Got questions, crazy channel ideas? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one, even the weird ones with 7 emojis and no punctuation. Catch you in the next video. That's the one where you start seeing how YouTube can actually pay you back.